So, what was the first sound that we felt was weird, right? We killed one letter. Remember, I'm going to kill off all these letters. So we killed off what letter? W. And we found out that the V makes the W sound. Okay, that was our first notice. The next letter we're going to kill off is a K. We're going to kill this letter off because anytime we see a C, it will make the K sound. For example, in the word cat, that's that heavy K sound, right? But we're not going to have a soft sound like we saw in discipuli. That C is soft. Okay? So our C is always going to be hard, is always going to make that K sound. Here we go. Z. Latin just doesn't do Z's. It's just not a letter that Latin has or uses. That sound just doesn't exist. We're going to kill off J. Goodbye, J. Why? Because the I in Latin behaves like a Y in English. Sometimes it's going to be like a J consonant, like in jam, right? And sometimes it's going to be a vowel, like an I. And sometimes it's going to be an I, a vowel. Similar to how a Y, right? Similar to how a Y can be a consonant like yet, or it could be a vowel like an I, as in like quickly. It's just an example of the I. So sometimes my page is shorter than yours because my screen is wider. So that I here is a J, yum. But here, discipuli, these are I's or I's, right? They're short vowels. I can't make them J's. I don't know how to do that. Can't happen, right? That's silly. So there is kind of a natural, is this a consonant or is it a vowel? So if an I is next to a vowel, it might behave like a consonant. But if it's by itself next to consonants, it's going to behave like a vowel. Same thing that Y does. I happened to be talking about diphthongs this morning in advisory. One of my advisees thinks that this is a tool that we were going to break out in class. Diphthongs are just two vowels that make one sound. So wait, both ways actually have diphthongs in it. Okay? So we're going to start our Latin diphthongs. AU is going to be ow. 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 AU is going to be ow. We're going to have it be I. So the OE is oi. We're getting better at this. So our EI is going to give us A. We have U. Okay. Last one is we.